Hello, boss buddies. How are you guys doing today? I'm back again with another amazing video, guys. So how has your day been? Hopefully you guys are doing wonderful. I hope you are well. Listen, I wanted to get a quick video in before my grandson gets out of daycare, okay? So y'all, today we are going to be working with the unbasket platters, okay? Unbasket. No, it's not a word. I made it a word. But if you are working your gift basket business on a budget, just getting started, and you do not have or cannot find, because gift baskets and all other things are on a limited supply now. So if you cannot find baskets for your gift basket business, I am eliminating excuses all on this channel. And that way, you guys will be able to make some gift baskets at a very, very reasonable cost, okay? So now we're going to use these platters. And guys, listen, they normally are $1 at the Dollar Tree, but a lot of stores have had them on clearance with their Christmas items. So I found a bunch of them for 25 cents. I found some at Dollar General. I found some at Hobby Lobby. And I also found some at Rose's department store where I only paid 25 cents. 25 cents. Yeah, I love 25 cents. I don't know about y'all, but if I can pay 25 cents for something versus $1, that's more money in my bag, okay? So listen, let's get right on into the video. We're not going to do a bunch of talking and rambling, you guys. We are going to, that's my New York accent, y'all. We're going to get right into the video, okay? Okay, so you may not be able to see my face, and that's fine. Y'all know that I'm cute or whatever. So I want to make sure that you're able to see the items, y'all. I tell you, I need somebody to teach me how to work with these cameras and phones and stuff and get them at the right angle so that my people can see what I'm doing. But y'all stick with my channel. We're going to get all of those kinks aired out and worked out. Oh, and for those of you that are on my channel for the first time, like, share, comment, and subscribe, okay? I really, really appreciate it. So look, we're going to get right into the unbasket platter, okay? Again, 25 cents for this platter. What we have here is a gift set. Try to focus in. I see the lighting is putting a glare. There we go. Here, here we have it's actually a cup, a drinking cup. I got these from Walgreens last year. We have a candle, which I paid 25 cents for 2 of these yesterday at Dollar General. And I bought these last year from Dollar General as well, okay? So what we're going to do, I had kind of had it assembled, but we're going to start from scratch so you guys can see exactly what we are going to be doing. The materials you will need is whatever you want to put on your platter. And you're definitely going to need a hot glue gun. You guys that are on a budget, Dollar Tree have these for $1, okay? If you don't get them from Dollar Tree, Dollar General has them for, I believe, $3, okay? Very simple. Just go under the bottom. You don't have to put a lot of glue. We just want enough glue to keep the item stationary until we wrap it, okay? And I'm just going to go in, mash it down on the platter like this, so that it'll be stationary, okay? Once it dry, it'll be stationary anyway. So we want to do it like that. Wait a minute, it's not where I want it to be. Let me do this again, because it's not where I want it to be. I want it to sit level, and the angle that I had it, it was not sitting level. So, hot glue, you'll have a chance to pull it up if it's not where you need it to be. And the residue of the glue, it'll wipe right off. So once you get the item where you want it, you mash down on it, of course. And I went ahead and set it the way that I want it displayed, so I'll have a general idea of where I want to place the items at. Again, you don't want to put enough glue up here to destroy the item. Just enough glue to hold it stationary while you wrap and while you're transitioning it from one place to another. If you're going out to vend or wherever, it'll give you a stationary foundation so that your items are not moving all over the place, okay? And I have kind of shifted things from the way I originally had it. But anyway, you get the point of what I'm doing, right? I got something somewhere where I don't want it at, but nevertheless, we're going to leave it like that for now. I had it in a little different setup a little while ago. And then just come in with you some shred. You don't have to use a whole lot. And I see that a lot of people are getting like the small bags of shred from the Dollar Tree. And I'm not knocking that because sometimes that's all you can get, right? Or that's all you have access to at the time. But let me tell y'all something. Find you a wholesaler that, or not necessarily a wholesaler, but well, I guess it would be considered a wholesaler that sell this in bulk, okay? It's going to save you a lot more money versus you paying $1 for those little small bags that they have at Dollar Tree. And I just picked up some bags of candy, put it here. This is a good idea also for the Christmas candy that's on clearance. Some packs I picked up yesterday, they have like red, gold, and green in the pack. Just simply take the green out, eat them, throw them away, whatever. Use the red and gold. You don't have to always buy Valentine's candy, Christmas candy. It's going to be in date until next year sometime. So you're good with the date. You do not have to invest a lot of money in your craft unless you want to. So give me a minute. We're going to get a bag and we're going to wrap this up, okay? Okay, so here we have our shrink wrap bag. And you're able to use cellophane as well if you do not have shrink wrap bags. Sometimes it's best to put the shred on after you've gotten it into the bag. That way it don't begin to fall off. I hate to start making my gift baskets and the shred has fallen all over the bag. I'll open the entire bag up and start over because stuff like that just worries me. I don't like it. I'm going to show you all the entire process. This bow I made up earlier. If you want to know how to make a bow, I will link a video in the description box so that you can take a look at that and see how to make a bow. I always tell you guys that making a bow is going to be a game changer for your gift baskets. Do not make baskets and just put a piece. Well, let me put it to you like this. I ain't gonna say do not because you can do what you like. But if you want to increase the profit that you make, if you want to give your gift baskets a more professional look, then put you a well-crafted bow there. Hold on just a minute, y'all. Sorry, I didn't have that together. Take your tape, go up under that corner, go to this corner, and just tape it up under. Get as much air out of the bag as you possibly can. Take any regular hand blow dryer. This is an Andes blow dryer, an old blow dryer. All you got to do is make sure you put it on high. and start at the bottom. Until you don't see any bubbles. But don't keep it in the same, when you're doing shrink wrap, you have to be careful not to keep it in the same spot, but for so long so that you don't tear your bag, okay? We boss buddies, we don't need to be tearing no bags, because that means that's a product that's wasted that we're not going to be able to use. And being a boss, we can't waste our product, okay? I got shreds flying everywhere. You finish it off by trimming off however much you want to trim off. I always finish my bows by giving it a ducktail look. And you just fold it over. Start in the middle and work your way up to the top. And it'll give you a V shape, or what I call a ducktail. And voila. Here is the completed. To get it to zone in so you can see. This is your completed Valentine's look. You guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until the next video, bye-bye.